Welcome back for your third lesson on the brightness of the sun. In the second lesson, you compared Sol, our sun, to Polaris, the North Star. You should have noticed that even though Polaris is bigger than Sol, Sol shines brighter here on Earth. In fact, we can only see Polaris at night when we are no longer facing the sun, even though it is so much larger than Sol. I want to give you one more visual for you to see. Here I have a 3-wick candle, so that means I have 1, 2, 3 flames, compared to my single wick candle that only has 1 flame. You can see that there is a difference in the size. So this one will be burning brighter because it has 3 wicks compared to my single one. This one will be Polaris, and this one will be Sol. I'm going to place Polaris on the counter across the room from me. And I'm going to hold Sol in my hand very carefully. As you can tell, it has a case in front of the camera. And I want you to notice how far away Polaris is. Even though it shines brighter than Sol, it is further away, and I get more light from Sol, which is going to be right in front of the camera. Yesterday, when we did the experiment with the 2 flashlights, we looked at Sol and Polaris. As we discussed earlier in the video, Polaris was the 3-wick candle that's over on the table. Sol is the single wick candle that I am holding in my hand right in front of me. Which one of these is burning brighter? That's right, Sol. Why is it that Sol is burning brighter, that we can see it so much better? Right, because it is closer to us. They are both stars, and as we noticed earlier, the 3-wick candle is larger. So Polaris is larger than Sol, my single wick candle. But because Sol is so much closer to me, it is shining brighter. That is why we get our energy from Sol, because it is closer to Earth. It is the only star in our solar system.